Welcome, engineers. Today we're exploring the Maximum Height Projectile Motion Interactive Calculator, a powerful tool that solves projectile motion problems you encounter in ballistics, aerospace design, and mechanical systems testing. This calculator features 6 calculation modes. Under Select Calculation Mode, you'll find Calculate Maximum Height from Initial Velocity and Angle, Calculate Initial Velocity from Max Height and Angle, Calculate Launch Angle from Max Height and Velocity, Calculate Time to Maximum Height, Calculate Total Flight Time, and Calculate Horizontal Range from Max Height. For this demonstration, we'll use Calculate Maximum Height from Initial Velocity and Angle. The calculator has 4 main input fields. Initial velocity, V0, accepts values in meters per second. Launch angle theta takes degrees from horizontal. Maximum height, Hmax, is entered in meters. And gravitational acceleration, g, defaults to 9.81 meters per second squared, though you can adjust this for different planetary conditions or altitude corrections. Let's work through a real example. For a projectile test, at 45.7 meters per second initial velocity and 37.5-degree launch angle, we enter these values and click Calculate Results. The calculator instantly returns maximum height of 28.65 meters, vertical velocity component of 27.78 meters per second, horizontal velocity component of 36.25 meters per second, time to maximum height of 2.83 seconds, total flight time of 5.66 seconds, and horizontal range of 205.17 meters. These outputs give you complete trajectory data. Maximum height determines clearance requirements. Time values help synchronize systems, and range data ensures target accuracy. One critical insight: always verify your angle is measured from horizontal, not vertical, as this reversal causes significant calculation errors. Find the link in the description below.